Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a click to tweet that once your audience clicks, they will be able to tweet out something that you've said, maybe a product or an image or or content. So let's get started. So once you've decided that this is what you want to do, the click to tweet, you have to really figure out where you want to put it. Now I am going to be showing you a workbook that I created on Canva. Now you can also use this on your website as well, which I won't be showing a tutorial for that. But I wanted to create this workbook so that I can share some of the content and get people to share it easily. And so one of the main reasons why this was created is because of a few different things. It's going to easily help your readers share your content on Twitter. It's going to get your message out there, so hopefully in hopes that they'll share, and someone else will share, and then another person will share. And then it's going to help you promote your quotes, your products, your services, or whatever it is that you would like to do on your website or in your book, because this is a perfect lead magnet. So let me go back here. This is a perfect lead magnet where you can give out to your audience and say, hey, these are some of my best quotes that I want to share with you, my strategies. And so that's what I want to show you. So now, once you decide where you want to put it, which I told you we're going to look at Canva, we have to do a few different things. So let's go back over here and look at the components. So you are going to need an HTTP link. You're going to use this every single time. So it's going to need to look like this. So make sure you can pause this and type this out if you like. You're going to need, second, a handle. So at Tom Antion, at Lakia Inspires. You're going to need the text that you want retweeted. Remember, you only get 140 characters inside of Twitter. So the best thing to figure out, or the best thing to do, would be to come on over to Twitter and put your theory in there or your quote in there just to see all of this information, see where it's at. And as you can see, I'm left with 3 characters left. So once you have that, you want to add numbers 2 and 3 together. So essentially you're going to need your handle. You're going to need your handle, and then your quote or your text. So then it's going to come together like this. Retweet at Tom Antion, blah, blah, blah. So now let's go a little further. So I want to break this down for you just a bit before we move forward, because this is a little bit potentially confusing, but I want to show you. So ultimately, you want everything to look like this. So you have your HTTP link, you have your handle, and then you have your quote. But later, you're only going to see this. You're not going to see this. You're going to only see the retweet and all that. But now that we have this link, we need to do a little bit more, because once you're in the system in Canva, it does not recognize it. So you can put this in and it's not going to do anything. So we need to convert it and make it look like this. So you see all of these percentage signs and numbers in between every single word. That's because it's kind of identifying it as a space. So we don't have the potential. Of course, we can go ahead and do that ourselves. But what if you look at this, what if you have a ton of different quotes that you want to share and get this done quicker? Then you need to figure out how you can do that. And I have a way to do that. So we're going to go to w3schools.com/tags, and you can go ahead and pause it and click on there if you like. But we want to scroll on down here. And we need to go on down to the URL encoding function. So we're going to go ahead and erase that and then paste it, and we're going to get our URL encode. So this huge line, which you probably will need to double click it so that you can get the whole thing because it runs over to the screen. Now once you have this code, now we want to go back over and create this because Canva needs it to look like this. So if you try to put it in this way, it's not going to work, but you need a URL. So we would go ahead and copy and paste that in there. Then I would take that URL, copy that, add it to the front of there, and now we're working with something. So we'll go ahead and copy it, and then we'd come on over here to wherever we're going to use our click to tweet. But for this instance, we're going to use it inside of a workbook. So we're going to go ahead and double click it. I am going to click here for the link. Once I do that, I will go ahead, paste it, apply, and it's now going to give me the capability of whenever they click on there, they're going to be taken to this actual tweet or this web page where they can tweet out to their followers. Super simple, super easy. And if I wanted to click to tweet that, I can do that. But once I click on the tweets, then here you go.